Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm your environment before digging deeper. First, check Python and Package Manager, Conda or pip, so you know which tool to use. Next, open the notebook and restart the kernel to clear transient state. This often exposes persistent errors. Then run a minimal cell, for example import sys, print sys, version to verify the interpreter responds. Once done, note any immediate traceback lines and copy the exact error message so you can target the next steps precisely. Now you diagnose deeper causes, path conflicts or package mismatches. First, inspect sys, path and OS. Get good to ensure Python finds your modules, move or fix files that shadow libraries. Then check package versions with pip show or conda list. Mismatched versions cause import error or attribute error. If a package looks wrong, reinstall or upgrade it with pip install upgrade package or conda install package equals version. Make sure to run these commands in the same environment the notebook uses so you avoid installing elsewhere. Finish by applying fixes and verifying success. Restart the kernel, clear outputs, and run the entire notebook to confirm the error is gone and no hidden state remains. If you used in notebook installs, ensure pip or %conda targeted the same environment as the kernel. Mismatched installs are a common trap. Finally, if problems persist, check whether the kernel uses a virtualenv or system Python. Switch kernels or recreate the kernel spec so the notebook points to the correct environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.